To begin the installation, dig a hole big enough to fit the stake of the fixture. Then, take off the Phillips head screws on each side of the base of the fixture. Remove the cap from the top of the stake. Feed the wires coming from the electricity source into the stake. Then place the stake firmly into the ground. Using the side of a mallet or hammer, hit the stake more securely into the ground. Twist one wire from the electricity source with one wire from the top of the stake and secure with a wire nut. Do the same for the other wires. Place the wire nuts and excess wire into the ground stake. Then fasten the cap of the stake into place. Reposition the surrounding soil around the stake, leaving enough room for the fixture to fit in place. Place the fixture onto the top of the stake. Drill the 2 Phillips head screws into each side of the fixture. You are now finished with the installation.